Today in this video we will be revising the topics on group by and having. We have learned what group by and having function clause works on SQL. So today we will be doing one problem that comes under this topic. So first you have to pause the video and write down the question for this revision. This is a table. There are two tables to, for writing the queries. After this, the questions that asked will be based on these tables. Pause the video, write down this, and then go for the next slide. So the first question is to display the details of all transaction of type withdraw from the transact table. And from questions 1 to 3 you have to write the queries, and from 5 to 8 you have to write down the output. So the first question is to display all transaction of type withdraw from the transact table. So how will you write? Pause the video, write down the answers, and then go for the answers. So the next question is to display a number and amount from all deposits and withdrawal done in month of May. Third one, to display first date of transaction from table transact for account having a number as 1 or 2. For the next 4 questions you have to just print the output, or just print the output. So these are the answers. Hope you have written the answers and just cross check with these answers. Select star. Since they have asked for the all details, you have to put select star from transact. Transact is the name of the table, where type is equal to withdraw. Now the answer for select display the A number and amount of all deposit and withdrawals done in month of May. You have to write the query as select A number amount from transact, where DOT like %05%, which means that month of May is 05. So in the table, when you can see that it is only in the date format. So for in the case of date format, you have to write it like this. And what was the next question? To display the first date of transaction DOT from table transact. For that you are taking select minimum of day of transaction. That is selecting the minimum value. Do you remember that aggregate function minimum and maximum? So in the minimum function will give you the minimum value in a column. So the column that we need is DOT. So select minimum of that column from the transact table. And what was the condition given? Condition was A number is equal to 102. So that's how it comes for the third question. And in the fifth question, for writing the outputs, select A number, A name from account where address is not in Chennai and Bangalore. What are they looking for? They want the account number and the name, account name from the account account table, where addresses should not be Chennai and Bangalore. That means they should not be in the cities Chennai and Bangalore. So what in the table account you can see there are how many people? Chennai and Bangalore we don't want, so we want Chandigarh and Hyderabad. So only Ali Raza and Simran Kaur will be displayed. So we need only A number and A name. So that will be displayed. A number and A name, Ali Raza and Simran Kaur will be displayed. And for the sixth question, select distinct A number from transact, which means that I need distincted A number. A number means account number. I need distinct means what? The data should not be replicated, or it should not be duplicate data. For that you can see in A number 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105 is there. No duplication is there, but still we have to write it as like this. Select A number from transact. 6. You have to write one select distinct A number. So means you have to write in the output you have to write all the values because it is not repeating. You have to write all the values. Now next question is select a number count star minimum amount from transaction group by a number having count star greater than 1. What is the meaning of that? They are asking for a number and counts and the minimum amount grouped by a number, which means that account number has to be grouped. It is calculated according to the group number, it is grouped by the account number, and from that each group minimum amount has to be taken. Okay, so what happens? 102 is taken, grouped it, and two values are there, but in the table it is not there, na? Oh, from transact table it is taken. It is taken from the transact table. So from the transact table, actually account number is duplicating. So how many account numbers are there in this transact table? 101, 102 and only 103. So 3 account numbers are there. You have to group it. When you group 101, only 2500 is the amount. 103 is grouped, you will get 4000. 102 is grouped, you will get 14,000. So when the count is greater than 1, which means that how many count is there for account number 1? Only 1. So we will not display 1. We will display only having greater than 1. Count greater than 1. Count greater than 1 means 102 is having 2, 103 is having 2. So those two will be displayed and the minimum amount will be displayed. So 102's minimum amount is 2000, 103's minimum amount is 1000. So those values will be displayed. Okay. Minimum amount in 102 and minimum amount in 103 will be displayed. 103's minimum amount is actually it is 2000, 1000 for 103. Okay. You have to write it as 1000. Minimum amount they are asked. Now next is select count star some amount from transaction where date of transaction is less than 2007. So they are asking the count of the, that is a question for aggregate function. They are asking the count of count of the sum of amount from transaction where date of transaction is less than 2017. So you have to get the number of transaction which is happened before 1/10/2017. So how will the output come? The count of transactions happened before that date was 2 and the sum of amount for those dates was 5000. So try to find out where you got error and rectify the errors. Okay, that's all for today.